Welcome to the Resurge review. Here, we have answer to all your questions. Watch this video completely, there is a special gift for you. Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel. Every year, millions of people all over the world list weight loss as one of their New Year's resolutions. And every year, millions of people give up. They quietly tell themselves that they will try again next year. Weight loss and getting rid of fat in the body are hard to do for many people. There are many reasons why someone can't lose weight. They don't know how much they eat, which means they overeat all the time. When they feel sad or bad about themselves, they eat to feel better and reduce their anxiety. This would make them an emotional eater. Or maybe they want to lose weight, but they can never stick to a diet. They're always starting and failing diet or chasing fad diet and getting hurt because of it. This person is a serial dieter. If you are experiencing these problems, then this is where Resurge can take the pressure off of you and help you lose weight. What is Resurge? Created by John Barban, Resurge supplements help boost your body's ability to burn fat as well as improve your quality of sleep. Studies have shown that people who don't get a good night's rest or have shaky interrupted sleep are more likely to gain weight throughout the year than those who eat the same foods but get a good night's rest. So, it makes sense that Resurge should affect both your body's metabolism as well as your sleep cycle. As you burn fat and lose weight, toxins in the body that were stored in your fat cells are released and enter the bloodstream. Resurge also can quickly clean these toxins out of your system, so they don't affect you. These supplements are for people who are over 40 years old, as that is when a person's metabolism begins to slow, and body fat begins to build up. When do I take the supplements? For the supplements to work best, you must take them with a glass of water 1 hour before falling asleep. Advantages of taking Resurge: these supplements are all natural and come from nature. They were not formulated in a lab. It will speed up and improve metabolic functions. By doing this, you have more energy up to bedtime. Because of all the energy you will use throughout the day, you will sleep heavier and sounder. You will also fall asleep faster.
Disadvantages of taking Resurge: because of the boost to your metabolism, you may feel hot at random times throughout the day.
You cannot skip a single day, you must always take the supplements at the same time every day, which means you must have a regular bedtime. Conclusion: if you are a person who has trouble with your weight, but you haven't given up yet, then using the Resurge Fat Burning, Deep Sleep program may help you. Finally, you can lose the weight that has been plaguing you and keeping you from living your best life. By combining a metabolism booster and a sleep aid, Resurge can improve the numbers you see on the scale and assist you in getting good quality sleep. By losing weight and sleeping well, you're enabling yourself to develop a better life. One that doesn't have you in it breathless from walking up the stairs and continuously searching for bigger sized clothing. If you stick with this program, you are sure to see results. More information, check the description link. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.